Yo, what's up guys? First of all, if you leave a comment below, I'm gonna do a massive giveaway soon for gift card codes and the like, so drop a comment and I'm gonna pick one lucky person to receive a $250 ASOS gift card. But also you're gonna be able to get a $100 off your order discount code if you watch this video. So if you could press the like button, it's gonna really help me out. I'm trying to grow my channel with these cool little tricks and tips on how to save money. So yeah, let me show you how you can go ahead and get a $100 gift card code. It essentially removes $100 off your basket, and I say dollars, but it's gonna work for any currency. So if you're in the Europe or whatever, it's gonna remove your local currency, whatever $100 is equivalent to. Anyway guys, I'm babbling on now, so let me show you. So you need to get your mobile phone and you need to go to the following website: giftcardhero.net. Okay, so open up your internet and go there, and this page is going to load up. So we need to press the menu button, then go to search and just search for ASOS because we want to try and find the page, and there it is, ASOS promo codes 2023. Click that. Rating 2,000 ratings by verified users, $100 off your order, new and existing customers. So basically anyone can use this code. Doesn't matter if you're a new customer or an existing one. So we gotta press reveal promo code. Now this page will come up. Essentially we just have to complete 2 of the offers below. They're completely free. And I guess this is just a way for the website to determine you're not a robot. So obviously these codes are for end users, not a robot trying to steal them. So as you can see, you've just got to read below each one, choose which one you want to do. So I'm going to click this one. This looks like a survey, so I just have to answer a few questions and enter in my email address. Now you gotta make sure you put in your correct information, guys, because it does verify you're a real person, and you're not trying to trick the system, and it does email you the code as well. So I'm gonna do 2 of these and I'll be back in a sec. So I just went ahead and completed 2 of these free surveys. So I did the McDonald's one and the Roblox one, answered a few questions, entered in my email address. I received an email already with a code, so I know it's worked, but also you can grab the code by going back to this tab, and now it reveals the full code. So I'm not gonna use this, so someone can go ahead and use this code if they want. You're gonna have to be quick because it's gonna be pretty quick, I assume. It's gonna go. But yep, so this is the website to go and get your free $100 off ASOS code. You've got to go to giftcardhero.net, follow the steps in this video, and you can get $100 removed off your ASOS basket. So you can go ahead and go on a shopping spree. So yeah, that's it guys. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, press the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Peace out.